Hey guys, remember the unboxing video? I want to show you the more in-depth video on my train. See, it looks almost like Diesel Ducey's one, except for well, mine's a 19 oh, you can't see it. Mine's a 1978 Leslie Products and Co. C something right there. I can't see it. Wait, Leslie C something. Okay, Shunter, and it's N24, made in England. Made in England by this one's by, if you can read that, Matchbox. Okay, as you can see, here's the side of it. Here's the number. Here's the back of it. You can see the little hook here. This little hook right there. Okay. Okay. Here's the other side. Same sticker. Here's the top of it. Yep. And then here's the front of it. It's all beautiful and yellow. The bottom's all nice and red. The wheels turn nicely. Let's look inside the cab and see what we can see. You can see pretty much the little the fake gauges and stuff in there. You can see that thing in there. I need to see if I can get the camera to focus in on there. Focus in there. Get it to focus in there. Okay, right there. Okay. Let's see. Show focus. Focus first. Okay. 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 You can kind of see right in there. I don't know. Show kind of focus. Never mind. Okay. But it's a beautiful train, and I like it. And yeah, this is for you, Diesel Ducey. This train. Can you tell me a little bit more about it? If you can, please. It's a very nice train. It's yellow. It's very nice. The wheels turn very smoothly. Look at the wheels. There's some foreman trash in there, but can be cleaned. But if Diesel Ducey, if you know anything about this train, since you have these same types of trains, let me know. And it has the number 5 on it. So this will be shown in my videos. I'll show this in my videos. And yeah. And mostly for the elevator videos. That's all it's gonna be for, is the elevator videos. Okay, so, and